Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so when I will post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time of beautiful time. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture. You can see the lights, the sides. You can see you can keep books and all, and the wall white color, the mirror and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bulb, the lamp and the mirror. You can see the floor. You can see this also modern room, classic room. You can see the lights and all, and the wall, the roof. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the roof and the bed and all, and the floor wooden theme, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the mirror. You can see the lamp and all, and the wall decoration, the floor very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the small bulbs and all, and the floor you can see very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the candles and all, and the lamps and the up lamps. You can see very beautiful. This one also you can see the modern room. You can see the green color bed and all, and the wall, the lights and the floor wooden tomb. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall and the mirror. You can see this one also the small lamps, the white color bed and all, very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall, floor. You can see silver color, the side mirror and all. This one also the bulbs and the cotton and all, and the white color, the pink color cotton and all, and the bulb. This one also very beautiful. You can see the mirror. You can see the wall, the bed, pink color theme. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp. You can see the wall, shining wall, very beautiful. The silver color bed and all. This one this one also very beautiful. You can see the ring bed and all, and the lamp, and the mirror, window, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the floor, and the cupboards and all, silver color. Roof also silver color, very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, and the floor wooden theme, very beautiful. So I hope this one also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon for getting more notification. So if you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon and press the like button. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.